The 700-watt HVLP Paint Sprayer by WESTLEY features a unique transparent channel that allows users to easily monitor paint residue, simplifying the cleaning process. With its adjustable flow control knob, this paint sprayer offers precise control over paint output, helping to avoid unnecessary waste and ensuring a smooth finish. The sprayer's convenient dust-blowing function improves paint adhesion by cleaning surfaces before application, enhancing the overall quality of the paint job. An innovative startup design makes the WESTLEY electric garden paint sprayer user-friendly, allowing for easy operation with a simple press of the start button. Included in the package are 4 copper nozzles, a paint filter, a viscosity cup, and cleaning tools, providing everything needed for a variety of painting tasks. Designed for versatility, this paint sprayer is ideal for painting cabinets, decks, and walls, making it a valuable tool for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals.